Hi everyone and welcome back for my final daily analysis video on Monday the 14th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. Moving on to the DAX, and well, what do you say about the DAX? I mean, it's very choppy still, had a sharp move to the downside on Friday, but actually the candlestick formation that we had on Friday was not as negative as it could have been, certainly with that reaction off the traded low on Friday, rebounding actually into the close. And now what we see is a little bit of a near-term pivot. If I go onto the hourly chart, you can see it better, is that you've got this near-term pivot, sorry to zoom out a bit, around 13,160. Was a reaction low, became a basis of reaction high, and then a reaction low this morning on a gap breakout. So essentially that is a nice, pretty decent line of support effectively now. But what you need to see is the DAX reclaiming the upside initiative back above all these moving averages, because essentially you do still have this sort of run of lower highs and lower lows, and it has gapped higher at the open and looking positive, but it needs to continue to run that through these moving averages, I think. Otherwise you sort of still in the realms of selling into strength, I think, on a very near-term basis, given the decisive break of that support that we saw on Friday. But what we now also see is essentially, this is the 4-hour chart, trading range territory on the DAX. I mean, I'd sort of been saying that it was a bit of an uptrend channel. There were higher lows and higher highs going on, but with that move to the downside on Friday and consistent sort of candles underneath 13,160 before the breakout this morning, you'd still argue that you're in the realms of range play, and it needs to continue to rally higher through all these lower highs, as I said, to generate some sort of positive momentum within the range again. And otherwise it's just still a very messy chart and looking pretty uncertain at the moment. So until we get some sort of clarity and consistent positive candles going again, I think it's difficult to really see the DAX as anything other than a range. And if you're playing the DAX as a range, then at some stage you'd be looking to sell the strength and continue to play the range. But it's a difficult one at the moment, DAX. It's so messy, and I think until there's more clarity, it's difficult to really take a serious view on exactly which way this one's going to go. Broad picture, bigger picture, equity markets seem to be going higher, but the DAX, yeah, it's a difficult one at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.